In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut prawn curry. But first, I'm going to go to the market and get my ingredients. So see you shortly. This is South Wharf Promenade, and I'm walking to the market, and the market is in South Melbourne. I've reached South Melbourne Market, so let's go in and get my ingredients. I'm not sure why the prawns are so expensive at the moment. Right, so this is $39.99. So I might just get this one right here. Hi, can I have half a kilo, please? This one? Yes. Okay, I'm all done. What we need is garlic. We have garlic, French shallots. They are sliced very thinly. This is the paste of lemongrass with toasted belachan and one bird-eyed chili. I have some cashew over here. This is fresh red chili for garnishing and also fresh green chili. The other thing which I have here is a little bit of lime, half a kilo of prawns. To make the gravy, I'm going to use some of the coconut water here, and I have coconut milk. It's about 200 ml. That's all the ingredients. It's that simple and very easy to make. I'm just going to remove the prawn and put it in here. So the prawn which I have bought is about half a kilo. Slice the prawn. If you see this, just remove it. Okay. So that's all my garlic. Just put it on the plate here. I have 5 tablespoons of lemongrass that comes from the frozen pack. Now, if you don't have that, you just need to buy about 3 stalks of lemongrass, and you just need to use the soft part of the lemongrass, which is the inside and the bottom half of that lemongrass. Add 1 teaspoon of toasted belachan into the lemongrass. If you want to know how to make a toasted belachan, I have the video link below the description or on the top right. I always freeze my chili, so whenever I want to use it, it's always there. I'm gonna use 1 red bird-eyed chili, which is a Thai chili. This one right here is going to add a little bit of spiciness in my coconut prawn curry. So I'm going to pound my chili and my lemongrass with the toasted belachan until I get a smooth paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can use a spice grinder or a blender. Scoop it up and put into the bowl. That's all the preparation. Is that simple. Lemongrass with belachan, which is toasted shrimp paste, and 1 bird-eyed chili. Gonna go out and enjoy the beautiful sunny day. And I will come back and show you later how to cook and make that beautiful coconut prawn curry. Just heating up my wok on a medium heat. And then I'm going to roast my cashew in the wok without any oil, so it needs to be dry. Okay, that's enough. I'm just going to remove it. Now I put the heat down to the lowest flame. because I want to fry the shallots and fry the garlic, but I need to make sure that the oil is not going to be too hot, otherwise it will burn the garlic and it will burn the shallots. I'm going to add oil. Okay, it's starting to turn golden brown. I'm gonna turn off the heat. That's my fried shallots. Okay, I'm gonna remove it now. Frying my spice paste. That's the lemongrass mixed with toasted belachan and the chilli. Okay, lower the heat down. Turn the heat back up. Smells nice. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut water. I'm going to add more coconut water. Coconut milk. Okay, I'm turning down the heat, and the next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of the shallots. The garlic. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a taste. Just taste the sauce. Yum. Just need a little bit of salt. Mix it through. One more taste. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to remove this and plate this. Coconut prawn curry flavored with lemongrass. I hope you enjoyed today's video, my coconut prawn curry, and it should go very well with a Thai style fish that I'm gonna make next, and that is going to be my dinner, and to serve it with some steamed rice. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.